witness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, y'all doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. I just want to feature and let you know, as you can see, we have released the long-awaited Amber Mirror Mod Auto Flasher Kit. So if you have a Super Duty and you have amber mirror lights like this and you've been wanting our Mirror Mod kit, or you have amber roof lights like these and you want them to flicker and flash the way this does, and you probably maybe want them to work factory like they used to before the modification, like they're doing now. I mean, I would assume maybe you do, maybe not. And I'm sure you probably wanted to flip a switch and have them dance like this. So this is our Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module. There's one module on the mirrors, one module on the roof. You can choose to flash all at once, the way you're seeing right now. You can also, if you prefer, to split up some of these roof lights and perhaps flash the outers and the center against these two. Back and forth. You can do that too. You can also wig-wag the mirrors back and forth if you want. This particular client, we chose to do the 5 on the roof, the 2 on the mirrors, back and forth. Why? Because I felt like it. And I do what I want. I like it, looks good. I've done it both ways. Your call. You do what you want. But that's the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module, now incorporating the amber mirror lights on Super Duty and F-150. Covers F-150 and Super Duty. And if you happen to have these lights on the roof of your F-150, give me a call, because it'll be the first one I've ever seen. But if you've got them on a Super Duty, it does that too. Once again, the Auto Flasher module by Wicked Warnings. Get it at wickedwarnings.com, your #1 source for construction and emergency LED safety lighting and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, SUVs, UTVs, bicycles, tricycles, whatever you got bringing in, we'll light it. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you on the next video.